Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will talk about piezoelectric effect. So piezoelectric effect is the fundamental principle behind ultrasound imaging. This was discovered by Pierre and Jacques Curie in 1880. And for your information, the word piezo or piezo comes from the Greek word meaning to press or squeeze. In simple definition, the piezoelectric effect is the ability of certain materials to convert electrical energy into sound waves and then convert sound waves back into electrical energy. So what really happens inside the probe? There are actually special materials called piezoelectric crystals. These crystals are usually made from synthetic materials, but they behave like quartz. The first step of this process is the conversion from electrical to sound energy. So what happens when an electric current is applied? It makes the crystals change in shape, creates vibrations, and these vibrations produce ultrasound waves that travel into the body. When these sound waves travel through tissues, they interact with the different anatomical structures and get reflected back depending on tissue properties. Then afterwards, when the reflected sound waves return back to the transducer, they hit the crystals, and these crystals vibrate again, generating electrical signals once more. Then lastly, these electrical signals are then processed by the machine to create the ultrasound image that you see on the screen. Again, to summarize the process for you to not forget it, first will be the conversion from electrical energy into sound waves, and then these sound waves will travel to the parts of interest or the anatomical parts of interest, and then they will be reflected back to the ultrasound probe. These reflected waves will then be converted into electrical signals. Then afterwards, the signals will be used by the central processing unit of your machine to create the ultrasound image. Here are some key exam points for your ARDMS. Remember that the same crystals are used for both transmission and reception, and this is called the pulse echo principle. Remember also, without the piezo or piezoelectric effect, ultrasound imaging would not be possible. For its clinical relevance, this principle allows real-time imaging, detection of organ structures, and the measurement of blood flow with Doppler. The efficiency of these crystals affect image quality, sensitivity, and the overall performance of the ultrasound probe. That's why you should be careful not to drop your ultrasound transducer whenever you are using it. So once again guys, remember, piezoelectric effect is the energy conversion from electrical to sound and then sound to electrical. And this happens inside your ultrasound probe. This is very essential for ultrasound imaging. Alright guys, if you're preparing for your ARDMS examination or just learning ultrasound, follow my channel for simple high-yield explanations. Bye and see you again next time. Happy scanning!